अजी मैडम जी और बाबूजी हमसे नाराज हो गया खम्मा घड़ी
Dhani Khamma. Khamma Dhani is a royal greeting indeed, deeply rooted in humility and Rajasthan's culture of hospitality. With that, I would like to welcome you all to our second vlog. And today, we will be showing you where we stayed in Udaipur. We stayed at Club Mahindra's Udaipur. I'm sure, just like us, you will love its location. It is a palatial property surrounded by the Aravali Hills at the outskirts of Udaipur, just on National Highway 48. Vacation here at Club Mahindra's is a royal experience with luxury, a royal retreat for everyone. It's a perfect getaway from your daily city life. Its winding corridors and lush green lawns transports you to a hidden paradise here in Udaipur. When we arrived here, we had a grand welcome. When we entered the hotel lobby, we were welcomed by these two dancing puppets. Cool and refreshing welcome drink certainly quenched our thirst. We were then escorted to our room, which would be our home for the next 4 days. Let me show you the room where we stayed. After settling in our room, we decided then to look at the pool downstairs. The evenings here at Udaipur are certainly magical. And if you're staying here at Club Mahindra's, this is the beautiful view that you would witness during the evening hour. Every evening, there were different events organized by the staff of Club Mahindra's. Hope you like this video. If you have not seen our vlog 1, then kindly do so if you would like to see the different places that we visited in Udaipur. And coming up next are the places where you can eat in Udaipur. So please stay connected, subscribe to our channel, like and comment, and take good care of yourself. Till then, see you, bye bye.